unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine and I am back with another unboxing for Everyplate. Now, if you're not familiar, Everyplate is a meal delivery service. They get all the ingredients together for these meals, include recipe cards, and usually the meals are around 30 minutes preparation time. Now, my husband and I get 5 meals a week, 2 servings each. That runs about $63 a week, which you try and put 5 meals together at the grocery store, and that's going to cost you way more than that. So that's one reason that this is good. Another reason it's good, total convenience. It is wonderful. Though they are a little carb heavy, which I've wrote them about. I mean, now that I've said something, they should do something. So I'm very cash today because today was a pool day for me. So I didn't feel like getting all dolled up. So when you open the box, you have recipe cards. This week we have cheesy black bean quesadillas. Tuscan herb chicken. Barbecue pork sloppy joes. Dinner style chicken and diner style chicken and gravy. And jammin' fig pork chops. Those are good. So we get the 5 meals for the week, but what if I want 7 meals? How does that work? Well, you can add extra meals to your box to cover all 7 days if you like. You can choose 4 days and 3 days. You can choose 2 servings or 4 servings. So, you have a lot of options of how you would like to customize your box to go throughout your week. So here are my recipe cards. They include a wine voucher. If you would like some wine at Macy's Wine Shop, can you see it? You can use that. Now, if you're not sure about this, I can set you up with a free box. $60 going towards your first box. That's practically getting free food. You're just paying shipping at that point. A couple of extra bucks, because for 5 meals it costs us $63. So, you'd be paying $3 some odd cents for that. I mean, that's such a deal. You can try it for a week and then cancel before they charge you again. So you have to cancel before the next week renews. So, but if you want to try it, let me know in the comments down below and I will send you a code. 60 bucks. Look at this. It's insulated and they have like a tray inside. Ugh. And this is where all your ingredients are. And then on the bottom of the box, which you have to check very carefully, because sometimes seasoned packets fall out of the tray and go down to the bottom of the box. So you've got to really check for it. And this is our proteins on the bottom. So I've got boneless chicken, ground pork, boneless pork chops, and chicken breast. These are quality meats. They're better than in the grocery store. They really are. So we're happy about that. Now I'm looking on the bottom for those little season packets. I don't see any this month or this week. I'm going to put just those right back in there. And now I'm going to bring you down and show you what's in the box. So they give you everything you need. Cheese, season packets. This is Southwest Spice or taco seasoning, right? Some really big tortillas, more cheese. Our vegetables are here, packaged. We have onions and pasta, sour cream. We have sauces, cream cheese. Here are all of our vegetables, bread rolls, all the vegetables you need. Onions, garlic, potatoes, tomatoes, ooh, a smashed clove of garlic. Limes, lemons, these are beans, I believe. Yep, black beans. And this is a really great service. So there we go. That is this week's box from EveryPlate. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments down below. And again, $60 free food. Let me know if you'd like to try it. I am very glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.